Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD/CAM Solution Ware, and today we will create this part. And here we have two views and one isometric. This is my front view and sectional side view. And section is from AA start from this point, then at certain angle and then A. So this will cut a single pipe, and my section is like this. So C2, C1, this is chamfer. Okay, here is chamfer 1 and chamfer 2 and chamfer also 1 millimeter chamfer. So I will start from front and side from the both view for creating a combined curve. So let's start with the annex. Here in annex, first I will select this sketcher and click over front plane, means YZ plane, and click OK. First I will draw this curve which will start from the origin and attain certain angle. Now dimension it using this rapid dimension, and this dimension is this length is 34. Change it to 34, and again this and the angle. So first I will define this angle is 35, enter, and height is 62.56. So change it to from this point to this point, and this is the length 62.56. Now my sketch is fully defined, and here is a radius. So select this fillet, and radius is between these 2 points. Finish it. Now select another plane which is our perpendicular plane, means this one. So sketch, select this plane and orient the view so that it will come in front of us. Now second curve is this. So I start from origin. Now dimension it. This length is 62.56. This is 36, and one plate is there which is of 20 radius. The sketch is properly defined, fully constant. Now we have two curve. Now I will generate a combined curve. So you have to go insert, and here in derived curve we have one option. This is combined projection. Combined projection will create a combined projection of two sketches. My first sketch is this, and second is this. Now preview and click OK. Now hide first curve and second curve. See, this curve will come. Now I will take this tube. You will get this tube under this sweep command. Here we have tube. Select this curve, and the outer dia is 15. So select 15 and OK. Now mirror it. So in more we have mirror feature. Select and mirror about this point. Now I want to join these two objects. Okay, and here we have one fillet of 7 radius. So select edge fillet and click over the intersection edge and radius is 7. So my sketch is ready. But this is a hollow. So again I will select this tube, and before selecting the tube we need this combine curve, okay, which is here. So select tube, and this time the diameter is 11. So internal diameter is 11, and preview, apply, and mirror it, mirror feature, select this, and mirror plane is this, and click ok. Now I will subtract these two pipe so that this combine will cut, okay. So this is my main body. Now I will create this portion. So go to sketch, select this face, and orient the view, click ok. Use this project curve, okay. And one more circle is there. I will start from this and make equal radius. This outer diameter is not given, so I will assume this diameter as 22. Now draw a line, one more line, okay. Now trim this inner portion, and here we have some two circle. So draw more two circle. Now dimension it. This outer is 5 radius and 10 diameter. So change it to 10, and this smaller one is 4.5 diameter, and distance is 6 to 6 from the middle point. So click from this gap is 33, okay, and center and this another center both will horizontally align. Use fillet radius of 5, draw, just undo it. Here we have this option untrim. So select this and this. Okay, now I will use this trim. Okay, now cover properly. Now I will mirror this. Select mirror and curves. Center line is this one, and click OK. Include this. Okay. Now use this trim for this extra portion. Finish this sketch and extrude this 6 mm. So extrude, use infer curve, and 6 is the height, and it must be unite with the previous body, and click OK and see. Okay, if you want to hide this, select and hide. And chamfer, we have some chamfer. This chamfer is 1, same, and apply. Here also we have chamfer of 1. Now we have some more geometry here. So select this front plane and see, draw a rectangle. Now dimension it. Half of 25 is 12.5 and 9 and 4 this lower one, just drag it or dimension it, and this dimension is, see, this 15 7.5, so that it will touch it properly. And one more rectangle is there, make them horizontally align, and 20 is the outer diameter, so this value will be 10. Close. Now we will revolve this geometry using region boundary. So select revolve and click here region boundary curve or region boundary curves 1 and 2, and vector and axis is this, unite and click OK. See, geometry is created properly. Now use this chamfer. One chamfer is there which is of 2 mm, and another chamfer is inside which is 3. So a model is ready. If you want to check, you have to section it. Just select this body and assign some color. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.